to your video on InShot app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add music to your video easy and fast. First thing, go to InShot. As you can see, this is the home page. Now click on video right here to choose your video. For example, I'm going to choose this one. I already have one. Now as you can see, all what you have to add the video, just click right here on music and you will be able now to choose a music. As you can see, you can record or add effects or tracks. Click on tracks. Now as you can see, you can choose any music from here, and you can also click on my music to choose from your music. And if you want to add effects, click effects. Now as you can see, you can add transition effects, game effect, drink effect. You have many options. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.